The best tricks and tips to change booklet mode in Microsoft Word. After setting pages to booklets mode, you may change your mind later if you are no more working with booklets. Hence the need to acquaint yourself with how to change booklets mode in Microsoft Word. Click the Layout tab and click the dialog box launcher. When the page setup dialog box appears, you cannot change the orientation to portrait unless you first change the multiple pages from book fold to normal mode. Therefore, on the pages area, let's move to the multiple pages and change the mode from book fold to normal. Now let's navigate upwards and change the orientation to portrait. You then apply it to the whole document. You can also set it as default if you want your subsequent pages to follow the same settings. If not, hit the OK button to apply the effect to the current pages. TechTricksGh. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And comment on our videos to give us a reason to do more. Thanks for watching.